Well, an unfortunate piece of news coming in from Moga, where a bus carrying Congress workers has met with an accident. 7 people have been killed and 30 have been wounded. We also have learned that 2 buses collapsed. Actually, the 2 buses collided head-on. The bus carrying Congress workers was headed to Chandigarh for the formal induction ceremony of Punjab Congress President Navjot Singh Sidhu. Amandeep is reporting live on this. Amandeep, good morning. Sad piece of news coming in. We are told that these 2 buses actually collided head-on.
Well, exactly, Nupur. On one side, the Congress is in the celebration mode that Captain and Sidhu has joined the hands today. They will be witnessing a one fin. And in fact, this was the message that spread among the Punjab Congress workers as well, so that a bus carrying Congress workers started from Moga and met with an accident after collision with a bus that is heading towards Amritsar, and in fact resulting to 7 dead and around 30 people are still injured. They have hospitalized and even pressed police and medical department has pressed into the services to facilitate them. And in fact, those 30 who sustained serious injuries, they are very critical and even they are hospitalized. They are getting the treatment. But they all are coming to join the Sidhu's installation ceremony at Chandigarh. And in fact, they have started 7 in the morning. At 7:30, the bus met with the accident and resulting 7 dead and 30 injured. And in fact, now the administration is getting the details that how it happened, just because from the preliminary investigation it has been learned that the Congress bus has lost their control due to overspeed, and that turned to be the disaster for today morning. And
absolutely, as you're pointing out, you know, those visuals, the mangled remains of these 2 buses, particularly the bus that had a head-on collision with the bus that was carrying Congress workers, seems to suggest perhaps that you know, it could have been overspeeding that caused it. But what are the police telling you? What seems to be, you know, what seems to have gone wrong?
Well, Nupur, initially the police is just trying to recover the bodies and to rescue the injured people, just because the bus was completely strangled and the people stuck inside the bus. And in fact, the visuals are very much telling that how the entire bus turned into something else after getting collided with another bus. So now the preliminary investigation suggests that bus lost the control, and that is the reason behind the accident. But now somewhere down the line, administration and medical health department is all focused to rescue and giving the treatment to the people who are injured, who are the victims of this accident. And later on, an analysis of overspeeding will also be done, and vehicle will be analyzed that both involved into this accident, so that exact cause would be revealed about this accident, just because it is a very major head-on collision that impact to 7 deaths and 30 people are injured.
Right.
And in fact, the doctors are claiming that they are having a very serious injuries, and they are getting a very heavy survival.
Absolutely. For the moment, Amandeep, thank you for joining us. In fact, Captain Amrinder Singh has tweeted, he's said, and I quote, "We are saddened to learn of the bus accident in Moga district in which 3 Congress workers have reportedly died and many people are injured. We have directed the DC Moga to immediately provide full medical treatment to all injured and send a report to the government." So this incident took place early this morning where Congress workers were travelling for the appointment of Navjot Singh Sidhu as the PCC chief.